Hey guys, welcome back to Crave Shack. My name's Lisa, and today we're going to do some candle DIYs. Now, most of these candles I got for free or I got from somebody else. So let's start out with this big, huge pillar candle. So it does light up when you put batteries on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Oh Holy Night right on this big candle, and I got this image off Cricut Design Space. I just printed it out with black vinyl, weeded it out, and put it right onto this lantern. And I just slowly took the transfer paper off, and as you can see, look how beautiful this came out. I absolutely loved how this came out. You can always put an image on a huge pillar candle, and you can get these pillar candles pretty much anywhere. Okay, for the second DIY, these are Nilla Citrus candles. So I just had them. My mom gave them to me. And you guys, all I did was print out this Silent Night, Holy Night image off Cricut Design Space. Now, putting an image like this or any image on a actual candle is a little tough. So just make sure you take your time. So I decided to split the image up because we're going to be working with 3 candles. So as you can see here, I actually decided to take the middle of that image and put it on to the middle of the candle. As you can see, I am trying to line this up as well too. So I am trying to make sure everything is evened out, and is like I said, is just take your time. It does take a while to actually pull off the transfer paper with the candle because it doesn't really stick on. But when you do, look how beautiful this is. I absolutely love this one, and this one is my favorite one for today. Okay, for this DIY, now these ones are battery operated, and I had one candle that was left over from that Citrus Nilla candle pack. So I decided to put snowman faces on them. So I decided to put these snowman faces, and these actually came from Cricut Design Space. And there are hundreds of them. Just pick out one. As you can see, I had a taller version candle, and all I did was put them on there. And then I decided to put a scarf on each of the candles. So I pulled out this really nice checkered ribbon. I did fold it to make it work. And as you can see, I just tied a double knot and kind of like placed it right there, and I cut it to size. And you can use like anything. You can use yarn, you can use ribbon, you can use fabric. And then all I did was just take a little piece of hot glue and I put it right where I tied that knot just to give it more security. And you can do different colors, that type of thing, but I love how these actually turned out. So then I decided to grab some peach paint and just give it some rosy cheeks. And I just kind of blot it and just like hand did that. It's really simple, really easy. Then I felt like it needed a little something. So we're going to create little earmuffs. So all I did was take a pipe cleaner, cut it to size. These little pom-poms actually came from Dollar Tree, and all I did was hot glue them right to the candle. And you guys, this is all it is. It's super easy. It's fun craft for the family, and they are great gifts for somebody as well. My mom loves these, and she actually would love to have one in her home. And you guys, that is it for my candle DIYs. I hope you like this really quick video. Maybe it will give you some inspiration about some gifts for Christmas or just for yourself to light up your house. And if you guys like these, give me that thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe, you can always subscribe to my channel. I would love you on board. And you guys have a wonderful weekend.